Hi guys, this is Austin with Nav Repair, and today we'll be going over some common problems we see with the Ford Pioneer navigation system found in the older model Ford Lincoln Mercury vehicles. The first problem we see on a regular basis has to do with the touchscreen. Again, we see navigation systems with broken touchscreens, cracked, shattered, dented, chipped, and also touchscreens that simply have the touch worn out of them from continuous daily use. We do use genuine OEM replacement touchscreens, so we can replace your touchscreen with a brand new one, regardless of its condition. Alright, the second common issue we see has to do with the map drive. The map drive slot is located behind the screen, and the most common problem with that drive is what's called a read error. If you put your navigation disc in, it'll display either a reader or unable to read disc. We can replace the mechanism with a genuine OEM replacement map mechanism, and it will restore the system back to navigation functionality. The third common problem we see with this system has to do with the 6-disc changer that actually sits on top here. This is the slot for the 6-disc changer. The most common problem we see with this is read error, or sometimes your CDs will get stuck inside, which won't allow you to eject or insert a CD. Again, we do have genuine replacement 6-disc changers that we can install in your system to restore it to its proper working condition. If you have any questions or concerns regarding any issues with your Ford Pioneer navigation system, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 1-855-628-7372.